one that says what goes wrong is really blurred. It was really blurred, the one that says what goes wrong in the graph on the right, you're talking to it, and it went pretty quickly. I'm not quite sure how to formulate my question, but I am curious about the data behind using visual tools for diagnosis and what's happening in the AI space in diagnosis.
I'm actually hoping that if I have enough users that we can kind of have the data to explore that, both to see, sort of discover the somatic footprint and how people self-conceptualize different conditions, create almost a visual glossary from the patient's perspective of different diagnoses. So this is kind of the data I hope to co-create with my users to then be able to answer these kind of exciting questions for me.
Is it all color coded as well? That
I intentionally don't give people direction on which colors to choose because I think that will have some meaningful sort of stuff to study for cognitive scientists later on, so we can kind of discover what these things mean to different populations. Sir.
I've got a few questions, okay? The first question is, how many users do you currently have?
I don't have a digital product, so I don't have users yet. I've sold about 10 of these journals so far, and I've just set up the e-commerce function so where you can download or pre-order the journal online 4:30 p.m. today. So hopefully a few of y'all can be users. Just test it out.
Okay, what are you looking for? What's the kind of funding you're looking for? What do you want to do with that? Where do you see it going?
So the vision really is funding. Right now, Antler has the right of first refusal, and they're going to give us $100K for 10%. After that, there will be a demo day in June or July for I to get that funding for the broader investment community, where we will then get this EOB for seed funding. As far as
do you have a roadmap that
yes.
Beyond the 100K, I'll need 2 million or whatever, and I'm going to spend it on doing these things?
Not quite yet. So obviously, first we build the digital prototype. We do try to do customer acquisition on that. B2C is quite costly and quite difficult. So that would be the initial focus on the pre-seed and seed funds, and then go from there. The vision is really to build something that can hopefully bring electronic health records and personal health records together in a way that's intuitive. Right now, no one's really doing it in a way that appeals to patients or is patient-driven.
Okay. But I'd still say you need to have that plan in place. If you're going to pitch, you need to have something that says, over the next 3 years, I'm going to do this, that, the other.
Noted, thank you.
And if you don't have that, that's a problem. And my final comment, you had one slide there which said, CTO wanted, right? You had a slide which said someone fits here in the CTO role,
Yeah.
right? My observation and my possible, something that you can think of, it's always difficult for someone who comes up with an idea not to think of themselves as the CEO, and therefore you naturally put yourself in the role of the CEO. However, I think you'd probably be better off being the CTO and getting someone else to be the CEO.
Can't code though, but otherwise.
No, it's not about the coding. So you can get the coding done from anyone. It's about the vision of what that product will be like and how that product will be used by your potential user. That's what really the CTO does. The CTO doesn't code. The CTO hires a bunch of guys who can do the coding. But you're the one who puts the vision of your platform into place. The CEO is the one who communicates it, who gets the funding, who runs the numbers. And I don't think you'll be able to do that. See your presentation.
He's turning into coaching session.
Great. I appreciate coaching. You have my website, please contact me. hello@somasketch.com if anyone wants to email me. Thanks. Any other questions?
I just want to give a short disclaimer because at PitchLab we have different levels and stages of startups, and Sasha actually is an often visitor to our event, and just knowing that what she's doing, knowing her idea, I asked her if she wants to participate because it was very in line with our topic. So she literally did her first deck today.
Yep.
Okay? Thank you.